Neither I nor you is ever without a story, except for the silence during the night or the meal. Since that day, from that moment until the horizon, over the bridge where time knows us, within time, after the rain, before the wind, between the roads, with or without you, opposite the sea, according to my heart. Because of you, I stay here. You are alone. Through the years, by train or bike, via the streets towards nothing except for love, despite the pain. Around the fire, towards the moon, let it be within time. After the rain, for the wind, between the roads, with or without you, opposite the sea, according to my heart. Because of you, I stay here. You are alone. Against the current, on the other side, at the beginning, over the land, from the cradle to the grave, everywhere and nowhere at home. This is the web of a language, the human house. So we end here, there in the light, with all words in their place, spoken and closed, woven through time, connected as one. This is the song of a language sung in bar.